Welcome to this video on the import of time-based data into WellCAD. Go to the File Import, Single File, then import a CSV file. The first line of data files are the titles, and we don't have a line of units in this dataset. The data is comma-delimited. We then import the logs. The data type is a mud log, and the import units are seconds. The time format is as follows: day, month, year, and then hours, minutes, and seconds. We click on OK, and this is how we import the data. We do a quick check of the data in the Tabular Editor. And all the data has indeed been imported. We change some of the settings to make a better display. We change the scale units from seconds to days and make a scale of 1:10. The grid spacing will be 86,400 seconds, which is 1 day. Let's modify the template a little to show the data a bit better. We display the logs all next to each other. For the mud log display, we display them as a standard line. We don't display a bar style. We can also change the line width. When we scroll down, we can see that all the data is there. Now we go to import a slightly different format. So we close the current file, then do File Import, Single File. In this dataset, the dates and times are in 2 different columns. We go through the import process again. All the settings are the same as in the previous import. Note that WellCAD remembers the import settings from the previous session. The units are in seconds, and in this case, my format is days, months, years in the first column. And in the second column, it is hours, minutes, seconds. We need to connect these two. So we say we pair the first column to the second column. The entire depth can be imported as a depth scale. The bit depth is also depth scale. We click OK and we import the data. We right-click to check the data in the editor, and yes, all the data is in there. Again, we change the depth scale. This time, we make it 2 days or 5 days. We put the spacing at 86,400 again. We display all the logs next to each other. You can see the whole depth and the bit depth have the depth values increasing. As for other logs, we quickly change the properties. Again, we make it into a standard line, thickness 5. We switch off the bars, and again you can see all the data has been imported. There is one more data file we want to import. So we go to the File Import Single File. And in this case, data is based on the American format with month first, then day, then year. So click on Open and go to the import again. The import units again are in seconds. And when we click on the format, there is no format that suits our format. So what we do is type in the format ourselves. We put in month first, then days, then years, and hours and minutes and seconds. And again, we have some depth columns here. We click on OK. We right-click on the ROP log title and look at the editor, and you can see all the data is in there. So again, we change the scale to 2 days. the grid spacing and the grid spacing to 86,400. And then we display the logs all next to each other. Change all the settings to the line style. And we can scroll down to check if the data is there. Again, we can see the whole depth is in there as well. And this is how we import time-based data into WellCAD. Thank you, and we hope to see you in another video.